हेलो, नमस्ते। आज हम आए हैं एक नया एपिसोड लेके पॉडकास्ट सीरीज स्टार्टिंग विथ HMPV virus. Today we have on our show consultant pulmonologist and respiratory medicine specialist Dr. Tania Shah. Welcome ma'am to our show.
Hello Molly. Thank you Molly for inviting me in your show.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you for, in spite of a busy schedule, giving us time. Thank you so much. Ma'am, please हमारे listeners को बताइए what is HMPV? आजकल ये नाम बहुत सुनने को मिल रहा है. आपके एक्सपीरियंस से आप हमारा मार्गदर्शन कीजिए इस पे.
HMPV is a RNA virus. It is a single-stranded RNA virus. It is the human metapneumovirus, mostly infecting the respiratory system.
मैम कौन से एज ग्रुप में ये वायरस ज़्यादा डोमिनेंट है? क्या क्या बच्चों को हो रहा है या एल्डरली, आप प्लीज़ बताएं.
Just like other respiratory viruses, that is RSV virus, influenza virus, it is also affecting the children mostly. And हम लोग को ज़्यादा देखने को मिलता है less than 5 years of age and mostly also in the infants of 2 to 3 months of age of infant. Okay. And the elderly age groups also mostly more than 65 years of age and the immunosuppressed patients.
ओके मैम, क्या ये वायरस नया है, पुराना है, क्या है इसका हिस्ट्री? प्लीज़ टेल अस अबाउट इट.
Actually, it is a very old virus, but it has been isolated in the year 2001 in Netherlands. After that, many small outbreaks has also been seen, like in Australia, Canada, etc.
So we should say that it's a global phenomenon, right, ma'am?
Yes.
Like COVID-19, it had spread in many countries.
Yes.
So there are chances it might spread.
Yes.
Right, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. As you have said about the different age groups affecting children and elderly, ma'am, is it like it has any particular season where the virulence is most?
Yes, just like other respiratory illness causing viruses, it is most virulent. It gets active in the late winters and spring seasons.
Okay. तो क्या हम बोल सकते हैं हिंदी में लाइक इन वसंत ऋतु व्हेन द कमिंग सीजन्स आर वेरी मच प्रोन सीजन्स ऑफ HMPV, राइट मैम?
यस, एग्जैक्टली.
ओके मैम, देन जैसे कि हर वायरस का एक फेवरेट बॉडी पार्ट होता है, जस्ट किडिंग, लाइक व्हिच इज द मोस्ट अफेक्टेड पार्ट सीन इन ह्यूमन बॉडी by this HMPV virus?
Yes, it affects mostly the respiratory system. That is the upper respiratory system,
Okay.
the airway epithelium of the nose and the upper respiratory tract. It mostly affects, but in advanced cases, it can also involve the lungs. Okay.
Okay.
So mostly the respiratory system is the main and first target for this virus.
जस्ट लाइक कि हमको जैसे सर्दी खांसी होता है तो ऐसा नाक के इस पोर्शन तक
Yes.
हम सोच सकते हैं. ओके मैम, तो क्या क्या सिम्टम्स देखे जा सकते हैं? व्हाट आर द प्राइम सिम्टम्स दैट पीपल कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट्स गेटिंग अफेक्टेड?
Actually, just like other respiratory diseases, it also generally it presents with flu-like symptoms that we call like fever, cough, sore throat, body ache, nausea, etc.
एसेट्रा. तो क्या मैम फीवर नॉर्मल वही 2 से 3 दिन रहेगा कि इससे ज़्यादा भी रह सकता है?
No, actually the incubation period for this virus is 3 to 6 days.
Okay.
And if after that there is it goes to complication, then it can have persistent fever also. In complicated cases, it can also cause wheezing, shortness of breath, difficulty in breathing, chest pain.
Okay.
In that case, a person should definitely seek medical advice.
मैम और भी कोई केसेस है जिनको ये वायरस ज़्यादा सीवियर केस में अफेक्ट कर सकता है? एनी पर्टिकुलर एज ग्रुप और एनी पर्टिकुलर कोमोर्बिड पेशेंट्स यू वांट टू मेंशन?
Yes, as I have already told you that the immunosuppressed patients who are immunocompromised, immunity low है,
Okay.
जैसे cancer patients, HIV infected patients, organ transplanted patients, in that case they should be very much aware of
होना
this.
चाहिए.
And
Okay,
उन
ma'am.
लोग पे थोड़ा सा भी होने से मतलब like with minimal symptoms also they should
Seek medical advice.
And the people who are already suffering from chronic lung diseases like COPD, asthma, who are already under treatment for the lung diseases, they should be very much careful and they should seek medical advice urgently with minimal symptoms also.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू फॉर दिस. मैम क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि ये वायरस स्प्रेड कैसे होता है? हाउ इज़ द मोड ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ दिस वायरस?
As I have already mentioned that it affects the respiratory system. So by respiratory droplets, this infect like wheezing, sneezing, then coughing, and touching the objects.
मैम एक
Fomite
वर्ड आता है
infection.
फोमाइट,
Yes,
मैम उस पे
yes.
थोड़ा सा हाईलाइट करेंगे
Yes,
फोमाइट.
just like if there is infected material which is already infected, and if we touch that object, then
Okay.
it can also transmit.
तो मैम मतलब इस पॉइंट पे हम आ सकते हैं कि ऐसा नहीं कि आपको डायरेक्ट स्नीज या किसी की पर्सन के कांटेक्ट में आए तो ही सिर्फ माने, अगर वो
Exactly.
इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को टच करता है और आप भी उसको टच करते हैं, देयर आर चांसेस ऑफ गेटिंग इन्फेक्टेड.
Of course. Wherever the
Okay.
virus is spreaded in other objects also, non-living part also, then it can spread.
So this is a matter of concern. We should be careful, right? And with this, मैम तो जैसे कि हमने देखा क्या क्या वेज है स्प्रेडिंग के, फिर मैम ये कैसे पता चलेगा कि आपको कोविड-19 है किसी व्यक्ति को या HMPV वायरस है? Is it easy to differentiate between COVID-19 and HMPV just by observing the symptoms?
No, it's very hard to tell and hard to differentiate also by observing the symptoms, as all the respiratory illness presents with the similar symptoms of fever, cough, cold. But for that, to differentiate what is the type of the virus, we have to go for investigation.
Okay, so with this ma'am we come to what is the diagnostic tools and techniques present as per modern science in today's date.
The most common technology that we use, RT-PCR, and other than that, immunofluorescent antibody test can also be done, and these tests are done by collecting the nasopharyngeal swab, the respiratory specimen.
ओके मैम, जैसे हम कोविड-19 में टेस्ट करते थे बिल्कुल वैसे ही टेस्ट
नाक
करके.
से, मुंह से, सलाइवा से.
ओके ओके मैम, एंड दिस हैज टू बी डन अंडर एक्सपर्ट मेडिकल गाइडेंस.
Of course, sure.
ओके श्योर, सो बी कॉशियस दोस्तों. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट शुड बी आवर ट्रीटमेंट प्रोटोकॉल? क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या क्या ट्रीटमेंट ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है आज के डेट पे?
Basically, there is no treatment of choice, but of course, symptomatic treatment is done, and with that, rest, maintain hydration, boost your immunity, and as there is no antiviral treatment still now not discovered, so we go for symptomatic treatment.
ओके तो मैम क्या लोग कभी भी ऐसा हमने देखा है एक दो केस स्टडीज में कि कभी भी एंटीबायोटिक हियर एंड देयर दे स्टार्ट पॉपिंग द पिल्स विदाउट प्रिस्क्रिप्शन, विदाउट रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ ए डॉक्टर. सो इज इट एडवाइजेबल मैम?
No, I'll tell strictly no to antibiotics, not
विदाउट
prescription.
Okay.
And ये तो वायरल डिजीज है ना, वायरल डिजीज में तो एंटीबायोटिक आता ही नहीं है. और अदर देन दैट ऑल्सो, इफ वी आर हैविंग एनी प्रॉब्लम्स विदाउट डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्रिप्शन और एडवाइस, नो वन शुड टेक एंटीबायोटिक जस्ट लाइक दैट विथ सिंपल फीवर और एनी अदर प्रॉब्लम्स, बिकॉज एंटीबायोटिक रेजिस्टेंस भी ज़्यादा हो रहा है आजकल, हम लोग बढ़ रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं.
काफ़ी लोगों में ये चीज़ देखा जाता है. सो इन शॉर्ट मैम इज एडवाइजिंग अस टू गिव आवर बॉडी ए हीलिंग टाइम. इट विल हील आवरसेल्फ. ओके मैम, एनी वैक्सीन, कोई भी वैक्सीन निकला है या इस पे कोई काम चल रहा है? ऐसा कुछ?
नो, एक्चुअली नो वैक्सीन इज नॉट.
अच्छा, till now there is no vaccine.
But yes, clinical trial is going on.
Okay, okay. Investigations are under.
Yes,
no?
yes.
Okay. We can expect some vaccine in coming years.
Of course.
Okay.
Hope for
Okay,
the
ma'am.
best.
Ma'am, what should be the preventive measures taken by persons who are still not affected by HMPV?
Just like we have already gone through such a very good amount of time, we have seen that for a long period of time that
Of COVID-19. Yes.
as it is also a similar type of
Respiratory illness
causing virus. This preventions like wearing mask, avoiding crowded places, improving ventilation, washing hands, maintaining distance, like that.
Maintaining personal hygiene
Yes,
are all the
personal
part
hygiene
of
and
preventive
boosting
measures.
your immunity.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in time of COVID-19, some are case studies given on intake of vitamin C. So, what are your opinions on this? Vitamin C pills and everything, or we should go by food only, natural sources?
Vitamin C, of course, we should take. We can take because it boosts our immunity. Citrus fruits and all. Other than vitamin C, many also vitamins can be taken.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Then this is the topic about prevention. Ma'am, what advice you could give to persons who are already affected by HMPV or nearby their near and dear ones are affected by HMPV?
It's a nice question that you have asked. Actually, yes, who are already infected with HMPV virus.
What should be their approach?
The first approach should be isolation. You should be isolated from the other persons who are not infected. And as I have already told that the
Ma'am, period of isolation, how
yes.
long you should isolate yourself?
As the incubation period is 3 to 6 days, so minimum of 7 days isolation should be maintained. And as I have told that the children are mostly affected, so school going children, the parents should not allow the children to go to school. They should avoid them and maintain proper hygiene. Wash your hands with alcohol based solutions or soaps, whatever is available, regularly and thoroughly, and maintain distance from the people who are not infected. And if you are sneezing or coughing, you should cover your mouth.
Okay.
And boost your immunity, and of course take medical consultation.
Okay, ma'am. And along with that, is it advisable they should not go to workplaces or have some distance with their colleagues also?
Yes, surely.
Yes, so that mass spreading of HMPV can be avoided.
Yes.
This is a social responsibility of everyone not to infect others with the problem we have. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Last, what piece of advice would you give to our listeners who are watching the podcast and who would like to know something about this also? In short, please explain your views.
Yeah, in short, I want to tell you that HMPV, as we are saying, the outbreak in China, but it is not that much serious. Everyone should not take it so much seriously, but yes, prevention and precaution should be taken anyhow, and and always try to boost your immunity, and of course take precaution, and stay always informative. ओके
ओके, थैंक यू. जैसे कि मैम ने कहा, आपकी इम्यूनिटी ही आपका रास्ता है इससे बचने का. सो टेक न्यूट्रिशियस हेल्दी मील्स, do everyday exercises daily, maintain your regime, maintain personal hygiene, and be aware. Thank you. Follow us for more informative sessions like this. Thank you for watching.